I have a quick update right here to share with you guys just to avoid you from making loss. Okay, so I just want to share this update right now. It's going to be a very quick update. Whenever you log into Surebet or Breaking Bets or Bet Asia or any of the Surebet prediction platforms or sites, I want you to, when you are setting up your bets, I want you to disable whatever concerns esports. Esports, okay? Because earlier today, I logged in on my Surebet. I saw a game that was reading, is it League of Legends? Unfortunately, before I came back home right now, the game maybe have already started, or maybe the odds have changed, so they have removed it. So these betting platforms usually make a mistake of putting it as an arbitrage or sure bet. Okay, so for example, now as you can see, this one is Serie A. Is Serie A. That's Brazil Serie A. Okay, if you see something like League of Legends, you just have to know that it is esports, is electronic sports. So make sure anytime you are playing games, avoid anything esports, because this is the reason. Now, for example, now on, if you log into Sporty Bets and you choose these their virtual games, these their instant virtuals. For example, now Chelsea versus Barcelona might be playing. Okay, you might see a game like Chelsea versus Barcelona. Then I eventually also log into my own and see Chelsea Barcelona. You understand? So on your own now, you have seen Chelsea Barcelona. On my own, I'm seeing Chelsea Barcelona. Then you might go ahead to play Chelsea to win. Okay, and me, I might go ahead to play Chelsea to win, and we place the bets. Immediately we place that bet, your own might end up as a draw. My own might end up as Chelsea winning, or maybe Barcelona winning. Your own might end up as Chelsea to win. My own might end up as Barcelona to win. So there's no certainty to any of these games. So I just want to give you this update right now, so that you are going to like avoid anything concerning esports, electronic sports. There's no arbitrage on it. But these betting platforms, these sure bet prediction platforms, do make the mistake of bringing them up and putting them right here. So make sure you avoid anything concerning esports. You are going to see sometimes they do give it a name. Under that esports, they have one division that they call League of Legends. They also have others, but I'll have to make a research on that so that I'll find them, and then I'll make a list of them. So if you see anything like the League of Legends under esports, make sure you avoid it. Don't play anything. There's no arbitrage there. You might end up playing it, it might enter, but the chances of it cutting is very high. Okay, so make sure you don't play anything concerning esports. All right, another kind of games you should avoid is these cricket games, because cricket games used to last up to, is it 3 days or 4 days? I don't know which of them, but it's above one day. You understand? So a cricket match used to last more than a day. It's up to 2 days or 3 days. So you won't like it in a situation where you do arbitrage and you just play a game, and then you wait for 2-3 days for that particular match to be concluded. You understand? If you have maybe subscribed into any of these prediction sites, that means for those days that match will be playing, your subscription will be wasting. So avoid playing cricket games and avoid playing esports. So guys, if you are here for the first time, my name remains Consolo Nyekure. Right here on this channel, we drop tips and updates on how to make money online. We also share arbitrage opportunities to be specific, sports betting arbitrage opportunities, which we are still going to venture into crypto arbitrage. So if you like such contents right now, you can go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and join our social handle on Telegram so that you're not going to miss out on our updates. And we do share sure bets for free on our Telegram handle. Okay, so you don't even need to subscribe to any of this. If you are a starter, we are going to coach you. You are going to grow your finance, your capital, to an extent where you can maybe purchase the Surebet prediction platform, anyone that is of your choice, whether Surebet or Breaking Bet or anyone. So we are going to just make sure we equip you and then help you to grow your capital. So you can join our Telegram right now. The link is already on the description section of this video. So after you join, then we are going to start up the work. So that's it. So if you like such content, just please make sure you give this video a like. It's very, very important. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned by subscribing and stay blessed.